Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining what is meant by an ideal machine. Ideal machine is that machine in which the friction is absent, or we can say there is no frictional resistance, and if there is no frictional resistance, then in such machines the effort which is required is very less, and also at the same time we can lift huge amount of load compared to a machine in which friction is present. So I'll write down, in an ideal machine, it is a machine so there is no frictional resistance or friction is absent. Now what would be the effect of this is that since efficiency of a machine is given by MA upon VR, that is mechanical advantage and velocity ratio, if it is not an ideal machine, in that case the mechanical advantage value will always be less than the VR or the velocity ratio value. So here in this case, as the machine is ideal, so MA would be equal to VR, since it is ideal machine. So therefore the efficiency is 100%, or if it is expressed in number, it is 1. So when there is an ideal machine in which the friction is absent, mechanical advantage is equal to the velocity ratio, and also we can say that output and input both are same. Now therefore mechanical advantage is given by W upon P, and that is equal to VR, which is denoted by Y upon X. And since the frictional resistance or the amount of friction is absent here, the amount of effort which we want to apply in this machine would be considerably reduced, and similarly with the help of this machine we can lift huge amount of load, because whatever effort we are applying, that is just going on in lifting the load, and we don't need to overcome the frictional resistance here because friction is absent. So that was a short explanation regarding an ideal machine. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.